And I'm with nobody. And kung pag gusto nyo mapanood, guys, kung pag nanonood kayo ng wrong, may isa akong ginawa. So guys, yeah. Sabi ko diba guys, maglalaro ako ng granny kasi sobrang dali lang ng granny. So ayan na guys. So ayan na yung request ninyo. Kung pag hindi nyo mali kayo nanonood guys, may nilaro akong una nun. Tapos kay grandpa yun. Bawal ka na ito maglaro sa pwede? Okay guys. Sky, let's go back there. Sky. Okay, let's go not back there pala. Si uulit lang din pala mula. Sky, I'm going to wait you at the next stop, I guess. This is cause it's my video. Oh, I died. I hate playing this. Hi, Sky. I just gayad the girl. Guys, Sky, hindi kita tuturuin kung asan to. Because nakailan akong laro na ito. Guys, parang ulit ako ng ulit. Sky, where are you? Ay! Sky, ikaw yun? Eh, hindi. Sky, where are you? Wala na muna ka na. Kaya guys, kung pag may ganyan kayong bunso, pabayaan nyo na lang yung gusto niya. Hi, Sky. Guys, kung pag hindi nyo panood yung una kong video, you're making this wrong because may part 1. May part 1 kasi guys. Hindi. I think I know how to edit. Okay guys, madali lang din to. Yung granny pa, yung grandpa, hindi ako sanay. Sabi ko guys, magbibideo ako. Ayan na nga, nag-video ako. Pero kung pag nag-note kayo ng wrong, panoorin nyo muna yung una, please. Kaya ngayon, namumuna ka na. Guys, I think later na naman, I guess, pagkatapos ko maligo, magbablog ako na naman. Rainbow Dash. Hey. Whoa. Wait, check ko kung may nag-chat sa name. Cinnamoroll? Huh? Your friend Cinnamoroll has joined me, I know. Eh, gusto mo turuan kita. Hack Sophia. Anong Hack Sophia? Hindi ka naman hacker.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Lah,
Hoy, pahintay.
diyan sa gilid, tas doon.
Dito sa gilid.
Tas diyan, tas diyan. Ay, died. Dude, that's small. Hi, Sky. Okay, fine. I'm going to hit you later. In my next vlog. Because may vlog ako isa pa. Ha? Kala ko gagawa ka ng slime. Di ka na gumawa ng slime? Sky. Diyan na lang yan. Forever. Sige ka. Finally here. Sky naman. Okay, I'm here. Okay guys. So, ito ata. Okay, memorize pa. Umulit ka. Ba't ulit ka na ulit? Thanks. Hindi mo masabi na yung dalawa. Because akala ko may nagbablog ka din. Ano kayo?
Kailan kayo nag-vlog?
Yeah, pero ba't ka nag-join?
Sinabi.
Okay guys, hintayin ko na lang si Sky dyan. Dyan din. Left. Stick right. There you go. Now you're almost there. Sky, come on. Okay guys.
Check me.
Okay guys, magda-download lang ako ng Tokabaka. Magda-download ako ng Tokabaka and I think I'm going to video. And
Dito na ako.
so I'm a gamer. Hi Sky, finally you're here. Una na ako ah.
Look.
Ito. Kainis.
Look. Nabak ata ako.
I'm here. Guys, sino yung favorite niyo sa ano? On week. Ay, sino yung favorite niyo sa Inside Out? Mag-video kasi next ako Sky. But you're almost here to me and I'm waiting with you. Yes, I'm here. See? Manang oras na? Hi, magbangon. Are you there? Hi, Sky. You're almost here naman pala. Because you're eating a lot of people. What? Oh, look, I'm running so fast. Okay. No, thanks. Okay. No. Well, okay. I think I need to survive this. Yum, yum. Oh, no. I'm not dying. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, good. I think that's it for my vlog. What's this? OMG, dito pala kami kinikip ni Granny. Look, I'm here. Just jump, Sky.
Okay.
Where am I? Hindi. Diyan. Ayan, gidahit. Amili ako na. Full jump. Tapos,
Jump
yan. Tapos, ayan, kumuha ka ng ganyan. Tapos, wait lang, stop. Tapos, kunin mo yung speed. Para maka-speedrun ka. So, 1, 2, 3, jump. And now let's go. See, you're here now. Hi, Sky. Okay, guys, let's go explore this. Look, this look like sa Abi.
Now, guys.
Be, mulit ka na. So, guys, that's it. And, yeah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. And I think I'm going to vlog na naman pagkatapos na ito. Bye, guys. See you soon.